In this next tutorial, I'm going to create some shortcut icons for our desktop, and I'm also going to show you a way to bypass double-clicking icons so that you can open the icon program without double-clicking. Okay, let's get started. Now, there's a couple of ways of creating shortcut icons for your desktop, and the first way is to move your mouse or cursor to a position on your desktop where you want to create that icon. So I've moved my mouse or cursor underneath the Internet Explorer icon, and if I right click once, a menu appears. Now if you look closely at that menu, you'll see that there's a small black triangle or small black arrow on the right hand side of the menu box, and that means that there is a submenu available for each of those words that it's next to. So for view there is a submenu, sort by there's a submenu, for graphic options there is a submenu, and for new there is a submenu. Now we're interested in a new shortcut, so we move our mouse cursor over shortcut and left click once. A dialog box appears saying create shortcut. What item would you like to create a shortcut for? Well, I've been working with a Word document in my Documents file, and I'm going to browse to my Documents file, find it, and then create a shortcut for that Word document. And the Word document I've been using is the Taylor Christmas Update. So highlight that with a left click and then left click once on OK. That should select it. Click next. And type a name for the shortcut. Now, do I want to keep the shortcut as being the Taylor Christmas Update, or do I want to change that to something else? Well, I'm going to keep it as it is, so left click on Finish. And you see that my icon has been created on my desktop. A little blue arrow at the corner denoting it's a shortcut. And now I have a shortcut to find my document nice and easily from my desktop. So if I now right click there once, and you'll see that the top option is to open, and if I left click on open, my Christmas letter to everybody is available for me to work on. So let's close out of there. Now I'm going to get rid of this shortcut and show you another way of doing it. So I left click and drag it to the recycling bin and drop it in there. Now another way of creating a shortcut is to go through and find the document itself and do it from there. So if I press the start button into my documents, and there in my documents library is the Taylor Christmas Update. If I left click once, and if I right click once, a load of options there, I can open it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to. There is an option there to create a shortcut, but that won't create a shortcut on my desktop. I want to send it, so go to send it, a submenu appears, and second one down, desktop, create shortcut, left click once. Exit out of my documents, and there's my shortcut. If I double click that now, that opens my Word document, and I can continue working. So I'll close out of there. And that's how to create icons for your desktop. And we don't have to just use Word documents, we can do it with files or folders. If I can demonstrate very quickly, if I right click underneath there, open a new shortcut, I can browse and I can actually make my documents, a shortcut to my documents, by left clicking on my documents and pressing OK. Click next, finish, and a shortcut to my documents can appear on my desktop. And it's as easy as that. Thanks very much.